What's up everybody, ACF here. We're back with an art video and this time I'm going to show you how to sketch roses with the help of a brush pen. First I would like to show you the basic structure of the rose. I'm going to start off this way and then I'm going to add 2 petals. Leave some gap here for the third and the 4th petal. And 6th. You could also add a petal here if you want. The same steps again. Now I'm going to use a cotton earbud. I'm going to dip it in water and just dab. Same earbud. I don't want too much of water. More roses like this. I'm going to add a few leaves and we're done. But this used cotton bud is giving me an idea. I'm going to take a strip of paper and probably make a bookmark. We've got our green marker. I'm adding the stems. Thank you for watching and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for all the love and support.